Have you been thinking about selling your house, but you don't want to deal with all the hassles of showings, setting up open houses, dealing with repairs, all of the traditional headaches that go along with selling your house? Well, what if there was a way that you could simply sell your house without ever having to go on the MLS and worrying about all those traditional headaches that come with a normal sale? Introducing our Simple Sale program. Hey, I'm Nick with the brand Realty, and this could be a great solution for you. We've partnered with one of the biggest lenders in the nation to allow you to sell your house without ever having to go on the MLS, schedule open houses, deal with people coming through your house, and all of that craziness, so that you can easily sell your house and move on to the next chapter. If this sounds like something you might be interested or want to learn a little bit more about, go ahead and contact us here on this page, and we look forward to chatting with you. Thanks.